20 years of Sprucehill. What an unbelievable ride it's been to get to this milestone. Last weekend, we threw a party to celebrate getting here. It was all about the people who made it happen. To our staff, you bring the best every single day, and you are the reason we're standing here today. To our trade partners, thank you for your loyalty, your collaboration, and for helping us deliver quality homes we can all be proud of. And to our families, thank you for keeping us grounded, supporting our crazy schedules, and being our biggest champions through it all. Thank you to everyone who shared this incredible night with us. Let's keep building and keep growing.